Onslaught FastCap provides a fast-acting residual barrier that targets scorpion harborage sites and reduces population rebound when used correctly. For effective scorpion control, start by applying Onslaught FastCap as a perimeter band around structures and directly to known hiding places such as rock piles, wood splits, and wall void entrances using a low-pressure sprayer and 0.5 to 1% finish spray depending on infestation severity. For severe infestations, use the higher end of that range and make repeat treatments at 2 to 4 week intervals until activity drops. Then move to quarterly maintenance to prevent reestablishment. Focus treatments in cool, dark locations where scorpions rest during the day and concentrate on gaps around doors, windowsills, foundation weep holes, gaps in utility penetrations, and under exterior trim where residual contact is likely. When mixing, always measure concentrate and water precisely. Agitate the tank thoroughly to create a stable emulsion and avoid overuse, which only raises cost and environmental load without improving control. Combine Onslaught FastCap treatments with habitat modification by removing ground clutter, sealing obvious entry points with caulk and screening, and reducing outdoor lighting that attracts insect prey. For technician safety wear, chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if working in confined spaces, and keep detailed treatment records noting mix rate, locations treated, and follow-up dates. Technicians often undertreat by using too low a mix rate for established infestations, so increase to 1% in heavy situations and treat more thoroughly around daytime refugia. Another common issue is neglecting habitat reduction, which leaves the site attractive to scorpions even after chemical control, so insist on client actions like debris removal and wall repairs to improve long-term results. The third problem is relying solely on one application instead of scheduling a clean-out and follow-up maintenance plan. Plan an initial clean-out with closer intervals and then extend to routine maintenance to prevent resurgence. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors who can implement integrated scorpion control plans and compare pricing and approaches. We also help contractors find work and share best practices through our discussion community so we can all improve outcomes together.